Culture Park. Jumped into what the fuck is that? Took a shot at any out the bag. Girl, you know it's real, I ain't tryna brag.
I'm the only lady here, still the realest nigga in the room. I break the internet top 2 and I ain't number 2. My body, my ice, my cash, all real, I'm a triple threat. Fuck it up and then leave, come back, fuck it up and leave again.
What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm red. So in this wig review, I just simply showed y'all how to put it on, and I showed y'all how to finesse it a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna jump right into this wig review. It's really not that long, it's quick, it's simple, it's easy. Really cute summer red wig, okay? So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye. We're gonna be doing another wig Wednesday, hence the reason my scarf is on my head. Today's wig is another Sensational. This is Sensational Instant Weave. The style is Barcelona, and the color is SLM1BRJR. She's red. We're red. We're going red today. So I just wanted to do this quick wig review. Y'all know how I am. My edges are already laid down. I do have a top on. So my edges are already laid. You dig? So we're gonna take this out. It looks like this. It's really red. Oh my god. And we're about to just pop it on. Oh, before we even put it on, 2 clips, one at the bottom, one at the top. This is a half wig. Half wigs are just like my thing. I don't know. Let's finger her so we can get her to our liking, and I'm gonna pull some of my hair. Try and blend your hair with the red so that it looks like it's kind of coming out your scalp. And because my hair is black, I'm kind of here for this. All right, that's what we got. We might be on to something, okay? And let's see what else I can pull out. A red lip would be real cute. So what do y'all think? Probably gonna finesse it. It's long as hell. I'm gonna stand up and show y'all. So it's pretty long. Goes down to my back, and like when I'm sitting, I can feel it like all the way down my back. This is a really pretty wig. I am so here for this. And then it's thick as fuck. All right. I like the, yeah, let me see if I can show y'all. I like this, like it's not even a curl pattern, but I like the pattern. Okay, yeah, we're gonna she's a yes. So this is just a quick little review. I love it. It's really full, so it looks natural, and y'all know, and yes, it's synthetic, duh. I'll leave the price of it in the description box because I forgot, but I can look it up for y'all. And yeah, all the specs will be in the description box below. This is not a sponsored video. I just really wanted to show y'all my red wig. And yeah, she cute. We cute. All right, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.